So, ooh. Okay, so I just washed the chicken, washed the drumettes off. I just washed them off. Now I'm going to go ahead and pat them dry. Pat them dry. So I'm going to pat them dry on both sides to make sure that they're dry. And then once I pat them dry, after they're dried, ooh, it's in my eye. Ooh. So I'm patting them dry. Now I'm going to flip them over and do the same to the other side. Let me get another paper towel for that. And just pat them dry. Just, let me put all, can I get all of them in there? Yeah. And just pat them dry just like this. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the seasoning to it. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and add salt, pepper. I'm add my pepper first. So I got my pepper on there. I'm going to add some parsley flakes. Creole seasoning. And you add what seasoning that you would like to add on your chicken, your drumettes, or whatever. Or whatever the case might be. Okay, I got some garlic powder. Salt, just a little, not a lot. I'm going to add some Texas Peak, some hot sauce. All right, so I got all that on there. Now I'm going to mix it all up, combine everything. Just mix it all up, and you just take and you just mix your chicken like this. Mix it up. Mix it. And just mix it up. Make sure you just mix it well. The seasoning, combine the seasoning well. So I'm going to let that sit for like 10 minutes so the seasoning can soak in while I get my air fryer ready. So this is how I do my chicken in the air fryer. It's aluminum foil. And then I take and put the foil inside of the air fryer. Just like this. Just like this. Then I take some nonstick cooking spray. I'm using some canola oil cooking spray. And then I take and I just spray it down like this. Then after I do that, I spray that. Then I take my chicken and I put in there. But before I take my chicken and I put it in there, I spray a little Pam on the top. Well, this ain't Pam, but a little canola oil on the top. Flip it over. And then I spread on the other side. And I take and spread a little bit on the other side. Then I take and put it in here. Just put them in there. Place them inside of the air fryer bucket, a basket, or whichever one you want to call it. Whatever the name is for it. Okay. Okay, and this is how they look in the air fryer before I put them in. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead over here and I'm going to go ahead and put them in the air fryer. Okay, I'm going to set my air fryer to 400 and for 30 minutes. And that's what we got. Check our wings. Ooh. Oh, let's see. Let's see what we got. Let's see. Oh, don't they look good? Oh, y'all, look at them. Look at them. Look how good they came out. Oh my gosh. When I tell you, let me move it over here to light. Look how good they came out. Look at them. Oh. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Then I'm gonna take them out and I'm gonna put some barbecue sauce in a container and mix them with the barbecue sauce. And we're gonna have us some barbecue wings. Yes. All right, let me start taking some out. Now I like my wings. I like my wings to be really cooked. Really cooked. So like this. Now see, like this right here, I'm gonna put that back so it can cook a little bit harder. This one is good. Let's see. Okay, this one is good. Let's see. This one is good. Okay. This one, I want this one. Yeah, I just like mine to cook a little bit. I just like it to be a little bit harder. That's all. Yep, just a little bit harder. So we're gonna let these four cook for a few more minutes. Then we'll take them out. Then we'll add some barbecue sauce, and then we're gonna have us some barbecue wings, drumettes. All right, here go the wings, y'all. Here they go. I'm about to add the barbecue sauce. Hold on. Now I don't have a whole lot of barbecue sauce, so they might be half barbecue. I don't know. Should have got some when I just went to the store. Okay, we'll see what we get. We'll see what we get out of this. Okay, how much barbecue? It might be half barbecue. I don't know, half. Some barbecue, some not. I don't know. But it don't matter. It does not matter. We'll have some on barbecue, y'all. Some won't be barbecue, some on won't. They still gonna get 8. They still gonna get 8. Okay, that's what we got. All right, we got our barbecue wings. That's what we got, folks. All right, that's it. Barbecue wings. That's what we got.